Imagine a world where waiting lists for organ transplants are a thing of the past. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, thanks to an incredible technology called bioprinting, that future might be closer than you think. Bioprinting is basically 3D printing, but instead of plastic or metal, it uses living cells to build tissues and organs layer by layer. Using a patient's own cells, scientists can create custom-made organs that are less likely to be rejected by the body. The process starts with detailed scans of the organ needed. Then a bioprinter deposits bioinks, a mix of cells and supportive materials, precisely mimicking the complex structure of real organs, including tiny blood vessels. The benefits? Huge. We could solve the organ shortage crisis, reduce transplant rejection, and even avoid many ethical issues related to organ donation. Right now, scientists are already bioprinting simpler tissues like skin and cartilage. But printing complex organs, like hearts or kidneys, is still a big challenge. It takes time to figure out how to make these organs fully functional and long-lasting. But with rapid progress in stem cell research and bioengineering, many experts believe one day hospitals will be able to print organs on demand, personalized just for you. So, what do you think? Are bioprinted organs the future of medicine? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing science updates. Thanks for watching.